I bought this air fryer paper on Temu. But when it came, look at this, what happened. It's off. What in the world? At least it does the thing. It does what it's supposed to do. Bear with my air fryer. It's not that good, but I think it's okay. The only problem is when it came, it's all like crumpled and wrinkled and stuff. But I guess it does what it's supposed to do, and you got it for less than £1, I guess. I couldn't remember how much I bought this, but it's still quite good. Still okay than using this you know, I usually use this baking paper on this air fryer, but it's all good now. I don't need to wiggle the baking paper to fit here. So yay, it does okay.